Hello everyone, hope you all are fit, fine and healthy, taking care of your family, taking care of yourself, spending quality time with your family members and moreover following the government rules. So now today we are going to learn the most important topic in English grammar, that is subject and predicate. So before starting it, let us know what is the definition of the subject. In every sentence, we mention a person, place, or thing, and then we say something about that person, place, or thing. The person, place, or thing we mentioned is the subject. So, as we all know, that the subject may be a person, place, or thing. Then, predicate. Whatever we say about the person, place, or thing is the predicate. So, here, what we have to do? You have to find the subject and the predicate. So here I will show you the best trick to find out the subject and the predicate. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just ask a question from the sentence with who and what. By asking this, you will come to know the subject and the predicate. So now let us go with the first example. We have Ram is playing. So we can ask with who from the sentence. So we will ask who is playing. Our answer will be Ram. So Ram will be our subject and the rest, the other part will be our predicate. Right? Go with the second example. He likes to play. Now we will ask the question with who from the sentence. So who likes to play? Our answer will be he. So he is our subject and the rest other part will be our predicate. Now here it is not necessary that the first part will always be a subject. The last part also it may be a subject, or the subject it may be in the between of the sentence. So now let us come with the third example. Okay, now let us come with the third example. Here comes the bus. Now ask the question from the sentence with who and what. Here we will ask the question with what. What comes here? Our answer will be the bus. So the bus will be our subject and the rest of the part will be our predicate. In the same way, let us come with the fourth example. On the top of the hills lives a hermit. Here, ask the question from the sentence with who or what. So, our question will be, who lives on the top of the hill? So, our answer will be a hermit. So, a hermit will be our subject and the rest other part will be our predicate. In the same way, let us come with the fifth example. Here, suddenly one of the wheels came off. Here, ask the question with who or what. So we will ask with what. What suddenly came off? What suddenly came off? So what will be our answer? One of the wheel. So one of the wheel will be our subject and suddenly and came off will be our predicate. In the same way, last example, his broken leg will heal in 3 months. So here you can ask the question with who or what. So our question will be, what will heal in the 3 months? So answer will be his broken leg. So his broken leg will be our subject and the remaining part will be our predicate. So this is what you have learned in subject and predicate, and moreover I am attaching some homework for your self practice so you can do your practice at your home. Thank you.